Hi everyone, I hope you are having a great day today and welcome back to my new video. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to install Fortnite outside from EU without TrollStore. Recently, Fortnite has been relaunched by Epic Games and can be played again, but only for EU region because of some policies. And for now, non-EU region cannot install Fortnite because iOS 17 sideloading can only be done in EU. So I will show you how to install Fortnite if you are not in EU. First of all, please visit a ppdb.to. Then click Link Your Device button on the top. Input your email address to continue the process. After that, click Allow. Then install the profile on Settings. Profile downloaded and install. You can check your home screen menu. You will a ppdb bookmark. Click that, and your device has been linked to this website. After linked your device, please click your device profile. Then, click Configure Feature. On this page, you must set up your certificate to install Fortnite later. Here are two types of certificates available on this website. You can use one of them. Then set the identify type to use signing to developer mode and follow the settings as on the screen. After that, click Save. Some forums that I read, there are some devices that work with this free certificate. You can try it on your device. After save the configuration feature, now you can search a Fortnite game to install it on your device. You can search Fortnite game for iPhone or iPad on search bar. You will find two types of Fortnite games on this website. Then please import both Fortnite games to your library. Please click the Fortnite icon you choose. Then press the import button. To make it easier for you to try both types of Fortnite, you can import both Fortnite to your library at once. After you import to the library, please click the green notification above. Then click your library. After that, both types of Fortnite will appear. Please try installing this Fortnite one by one on your device. Click the Install button on the right. If a notification appears, just click Cancel. Then the Fortnite game will automatically be installed on your device. Please wait on this page until you see the Install button notification. Click Install. Then go back to the menu and wait until the Fortnite installation process is complete. Make sure you have a good connection to download it. After the download is complete, please open Fortnite. If you experience a crash and Fortnite cannot be opened, you can try another type of Fortnite. Some devices may work for the existing Fortnite type. Please re-enter the APPDB website, then select Fortnite and continue the installation as before. And wait until the download process is complete. After download success, please launch Fortnite as usual. If a message like this appears, then Fortnite has been successfully opened and run. Then you can download the patch on Fortnite. Please wait until the patch download is complete. After that, you can play Fortnite as usual. If you install both types of Fortnite and still experience a crash and Fortnite won't open, then you should try the following method. Open a ppdb website again. Then click your device profile and configure feature. Then use your own developer certificate. By using developer certificate, you can bypass Fortnite EU easily. Because Fortnite can be said to be still testing, so you need a developer certificate that you must use to sign Fortnite. Please upload the certificate on the APPDB website. Please enter the P12 file developer and mobile provision in the developer section. And enter the certificate password. Then save. If you do not have a developer cert, you can buy it in the section above provided by a ppdb, such as MapleSign, App12, SignTunes, and many more. Here I recommend you use MapleSign Duque because it is cheaper and proven to be able to install Fortnite easily without revoke and without any crash. You can press the MapleSign button, then the certificate will automatically be imported. After everything is finished, please try to reinstall Fortnite on the library page. Then select the type of Fortnite you want to install using the developer certificate. Click Install and wait until the download is complete. This process is the same as the free certificate you use, only you replace the free certificate with the developer certificate you uploaded earlier. Not only install Fortnite, you also install Fall Guys from Epic Games this way. After the download is complete, please run Fortnite and download the Fortnite patch. To play Fortnite, you have to download a patch of about 13 gigabytes. After the patch download is complete, please log in to your Fortnite account, and congratulations, you can now play Fortnite without being in the European region. As you can see, I tried to play Fortnite on my iPad without crashing and without any problem. This tutorial works for both iPhone and iPad. So please just follow it, because the tutorial is the same for both iPhone and iPad. If you have any problem during installation, please leave a comment below. I will try to help and guide you to play Fortnite outside EU region. I hope this tutorial is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel to get more videos about iPhone and iPad. See you on the next video. Thank you.